This is Science Mentor. In this lesson, you will learn how to calculate running total or cumulative sum in Excel. A running total or cumulative sum is a sequence of partial sums of a given dataset. It is used to show the summation of data as it grows with time. This short tutorial shows how a usual Excel sum formula with clever use of absolute and relative cell references can quickly calculate a running total in your worksheet. Firstly, select cell C2 and enter the sum function. The first cell B2 in the range reference is an absolute reference. We fix the reference to cell B2 by adding a dollar symbol in front of the column letter and row number. The second cell B2 in the range reference is a normal relative reference. Select cell C2, click on the lower right corner of cell C2 and drag it down to cell C10. When we drag the formula down, the absolute reference $B$2 stays the same, while the relative reference B2 changes to B3, B4, B5, etc. Your cumulative sum is ready. You can also use a simple formula to quickly calculate the running total in Excel. Let's start with the first value. Add the new value to the previous running total and copy this simple formula down. Select cell C3, click on the lower right corner of cell C3 and drag it down to cell C10. The simple formula equals C2 plus B3 changes to C3 plus B4, C4 plus B5, etc. Each time the new value is added to the previous running total. Also, in another way, you can let Excel do all the work for you. Select a range of cells and click the Quick Analysis button. Click Totals and click Running Total. They are appearing in yellow-orange options. The Quick Analysis tool also uses the sum function to create a running total. You can check it. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.